Okay? So, good afternoon, no? Hapon na ako nag-start ang recorded video. That is 2:13. Okay, sa last recorded video sa noise analysis, na-discuss na nako ang noise factor of noise figure. Okay, now let's continue our discussion regarding in the noise analysis. So this will be the new topic. We have the Friese formula. Okay, so Friese formula ta. So in Friese formula, okay? So this is an analysis regarding to the amplifiers uh in regards to the overall noise factor. Okay? Uh Naani typo, okay? Actually in this figure, naani siya typo error. I will correct this one kay dugay ko kabantay ani. Kani instead of NF1, this is a noise figure in amplifier 1. This is okay. I will crush out that is your F1 siya. Kani this will be the F2. Kani that will be the F sub n. So meaning the overall, no? The overall noise factor is F sub T. Okay? Kaya pag NF, noise figure biya na. Okay? So, kanipod, this is, crush out na lang na ako na as F sub T. O, sa tumasi, maguni siya nga image. Okay? So, the overall noise factor would be this one. Okay? So, naay trick ani, actually. Dali ra kayo siya timanan. So, total noise factor equals to, sa first term nimo, sa first amplifier nimo, F sub 1 ra gyud na ayang noise factor mismo sa first amplifier. Unya pag mo plus na ka for the next term, plus. So, F sub 2 minus 1 din ka. I-divide nimo, ang imong i-divide is ang power gain sa first amplifier. Okay? Dili ang power gain sa second amplifier. So, power gain sa first amplifier. And then, plus F sub 3 minus 1. Minus 1 ka. Divided by. So, kani, since F sub 3 naman na, dili pwede ang iyang power gain sa third amplifier. So, imong buhaton is katong power gain, pila naman ka amplifier ang ning labay. So we have two amplifiers, amplifier 1 and amplifier 2. It means the two power gains anang duha, power gain sa amplifier 1 o power gain sa amplifier 2, imo ra lang i-multiply sa dari in the denominator nga side. And then plus minus minus, so hantod moabot kag F sub n minus 1 divided by katong previous power amplifiers ato. So from amplifier sub n up to amplifier sub 1, i-times 2 nimo siya. Okay? So, inana ang trick sa Friese formula. So, the overall noise factor is this one. Then, kung kwaon nimo ang overall noise figure, mo ni, i-10 log nimo siya. Okay? So, dili na NF1, NF2, NFN o NFT. Kay noise factor man na siya. Noise figure man ta. Okay? So, careful, no? Sige. Di na lang sa. So, next. These are the notations. Palihog kog timaan, no? Gamit kaayo. So, labeling lang man na, mga variables. So, mo po'y ginabutang diha, no? Ginabutang diha sa equation sa Friese formula. Okay. So, let's have an example problem. A three-stage amplifier has stage with the following specifications. Okay. Stage 1, power gain is 10, noise figure is 2. Noise figure is 2. Stage 2, power gain is 20, noise figure is 4. Stage 3, power gain is 30, noise figure is 5. Calculate the total noise figure in the system assuming match conditions. Okay. Sir, ingon ka kay noise figure kay dapat naka-decibel. Okay. Other reference books, so pag inani, noise figure niya, ang value kay numerical value pero walay decibel, okay? I-as is na, that is the noise factor. Okay? Oh, noise factor na. Ayaw na i-worry ang, wala, dapat noise figure 2 dB dapat na. O, kaning noise figure sa isa 4 dB. O, wala man nakabutang, naka-decibel nga state. So, this is a noise factor values na siya. Okay? O, basi makabantay mo ana sa mga reference books, no? So, noise figure na pag iman-iman kay unitless, no? Walay dB. So, dapat noise factor siya. So, noise factor na, okay? No need to worry. Okay. Now, isulat nimo ang event. Okay? It's best to arrange their values kay para dili ka malingat. So, solution. So, solution is we have here for the first, we have for the stage 1. So, naatay power gain nga 10. Oh, A sub P1 that is 10. Okay, noise figure is 2. That is noise factor. Noise factor at the first amplifier that is 2. Okay, next, we have stage 2 nga amplifiers. So, power gain at the second amplifier that is, okay, stage 2 that is 20. Itong i-reason. So, 20 na siya. And then, noise factor that is 4. Oh, noise factor is 4. Oy, F sub 4 naman noon eh. F sub 2. So, F sub 2 that is 4. Okay. Next, stage 3 din ka. Stage 3, power gain at the third stage that is 30. Noise figure is 5. That is the noise factor. F sub 3 is 5. So, pila naman ka amplifier? Tulo ra, no? 3-stage amplifier man ang yang giingon. Okay. The total noise figure of the system assuming match condition. Okay. So, using the freeze formula. Okay. So, kwaon na to ang overall noise figure. That is N sub Ft. That is unknown. Okay. Now, get using the freeze formula, no? Okay, so using freeze formula, dili man gud nimo makuha ang overall noise figure kung i-add nimo mali. Mali ang computation na. So, dapat mauna si noise factor nga gamiton. Okay, so the total noise factor equal to pila ka stage? Tulo ra na, sir. Oh, tulo ra po. So we have F sub 1. Okay, plus abuta og stage 2. So you have your F sub 2 diha pa mag minus 1. Karon ang i-divide mo is ang previous nga power gain sa amplifier. Kung pila ka bok ang power gain amplifier ato, no? Before sa yaha. So, since at the stage 2 kay ang power gain niya, ang amplifier, the number of amplifiers nga before siya is kaisa which is the stage 1, no? So that is ang power gain lang sa stage 1 imong gamiton. Okay? And then plus we have the F sub 3 minus 1. Pila man ka amplifiers ang nilabay sa yaha, no? Ay before maabot sa yaha, that is 2 stage. So stage 1 and stage 2. So duha ka power gain. So power gain at the first amplifier and power gain at the second amplifier. Okay? So substitute the value. So overall noise factor that is 2 plus you have here the 4 minus 1 divided by, so power gain that is 10 plus we have 5 5 minus 1 divided by, so power gain at the first stage, that is 10. Power gain at the second stage, that is 20. So, the overall noise factor is, gamit ang calcio. Okay, using the calculator, so we have 2 plus, we have 4 minus 1 divided by 10. Okay, plus, okay, we have 5 minus 1 divided by the product between the 10 and the 20. Okay, so we have the value that is 2.32. 2.32 ang overall noise factor. So, 2.32. Karon, ang yahang noise figure, okay? So, for the noise figure, so you have overall noise figure equals to the logarithmic format for the noise factor. Okay, so we have 10 log, that is 2.32. Okay, so overall noise figure is, okay, so switch tab for calculator. Okay, so 10, we have log of 2.32. Okay, so 2.32, the value would be, okay, I'll make it 5, 3.654, 65488. Okay, so we have 3.65488 unit decibel kaya naka 10 log naman. No, naka logarithmic format naman siya. So that will be the final answer for the overall noise figure. Okay? So careful ano, pag mayon siyang noise figure niya, walay dB, walay decibel nga unit, noise factor na siya. No need to ask that one. Okay? Noise factor na automatic. So, check na to. Okay? Tama to solution. And then, the total noise figure. So, 3.65488. Okay? Okay, this one. For 3 cascaded amplifier stages, each with noise figures of 3 decibels and power gain of 10 dB. Okay. Question. Determine the total noise figure. So, kani siya, noise figure man sa tulo ka cascaded amplifier niya equal 3 dB. Nya, naapoy, power gain, that is equal to 10 dB kada isa ka stage. So, ang imong buhaton, imo siyang i-antilag kay decibel man. Convert it into unitless format. Okay? So, practice problem na para sa inyo ha. Okay. So, we're done at the freeze formula actually. So, equivalent noise temperature na ta. Okay? Yung discussion. So, the absolute temperature of a resistor, okay, connected to the input of a noiseless amplifier of the same gain would produce same noise at the output of a real amplifier. Okay? So, if you express that one into mathematical form, this will be the format. Okay? So, you have your equivalent temperature, T sub equivalent. that is equal to the T sub A, that is the ambient temperature, times F minus 1. F is the noise factor. Okay? Now, kung dili ihatag ang T sub A, pag dili ihatag ang T sub A, unsa may iset ito nga value? The value would be 290 Kelvin. 290. Pag dili ihatag ang ambient temperature. Okay? And napay other formulas. Let's check this one. So for a noiseless receiver, we have 0 Kelvin. Okay. Then we have for attenuator elements like transmission lines and waveguides. So this will be the formula. Okay. Okay, so that will be the list of variables. And we have also, okay, murag kulang. Okay. And we have also the, what we call it, the excess noise ratio. Okay, ENR. That is T sub H minus T sub C divided by T sub C. Ang ENR is in decibel format. That is 10 dB. Excess noise ratio is, this is a parameter where semiconductor, testingan siya, applyan og signal, then in regards to the ambient temperature, appeal siya, apila nimo i-consider, then pag compute na, what will be the response sa kanang semiconductor kung patas-o na to iyang biasing voltage unsay mahitabo. Okay? So that is all about excess noise ratio. Okay? So, bali, ang semiconductor nimo nasa ambient temp, no? I-test. And then, also, pag i-test ang imo ambient, ang semiconductor in an ambient temperature, unsay may tabo. So, either, ang hot voltage or a hot temperature, o patas animo, so what will be the response of that parameter, say ENR? Kasagaran na applicable satellite. Satellite siya o microwave. Okay? So, namatay example, ana. Karon, another question. Kung dili ihatag ang hot or cold temperature or dili ihatag ang cold temperature, sir, pila ang iset? Ang iset nimo sa cold temperature would be the ambient temperature, which is to 90 Kelvin. Okay? So, hopefully nga masabtan, no? Ubay-ubay mag-formula, sir. Pero silang, this is part of the noise analysis manggod. So, mo nag-include ako siya og discuss. Okay? So, pag walay temperature nga gihatag, especially at the cold temperature, i-assume ninyo ang temperature nga ideal o haom dito, no? So, I think that would be my discussion for the equivalent noise temperature. So, proceed ta sa example problem. Okay, napadi ay. Sorry. Natay ginatawag po nga output noise power. This one for practical this device. So, we have here NO equals to A sub P times N sub I. Then for practical, that is N sub I plus N sub I. N sub add, no? Added. Additional noise power. Then pag due to cold temperature, that is A sub P times K times T sub C, the cold temp, and the T sub E is hot man yata, if I'm not mistaken. Equivalent noise temperature. Kung kung cold temp ay tawag ni. Kung hot temperature ka, same gyapon pero T sub H na lang ni. Okay? Nga first term. Okay? So the N are the following: KTB and N are additional noise powers generated by the diode. Okay? Eh, generated by the diode. Mali. Pag hot temperature, so NH equals to A sub P times K times T sub H plus T sub E times B. B is the bandwidth. T sub H is the hot temperature. T sub E is the equivalent noise temperature. Okay, sensya, nalingat ko. K is the Boltzmann's constant. A sub P is the power gain. Okay? So N sub I, that is the input noise power. N sub add, is additional noise power generated by the device. So, not the diode, by the device diode. Sorry. Okay, so that is the all about the output noise power, no, pati sa noise power sa cold o sa hot temperature. So purpose naman gyud ani ENR kay para sa kanang semiconductor device testingan o in a certain area nga na temperature, then patas what will happen kung mag-increase ang temperature. And also ang ambient, no, steady raman ang ambient temp. Unsay response niya. So that is the purpose of ENR. Then naputay noise temperature in terms of Y factor. Okay. So this is the formula. Equivalent noise temperature equals to hot temperature minus Y T sub C minus Y minus 1. Y is the Y factor. Y factor, that is the ratio between the noise power between the hot and the cold temperature. Okay? Mamanayahang formula. So, gamit ko naman na siya sa semiconductor, especially diode. Okay? So, let's have example, no? So, a three-stage, no? A three-stage amplifier has stages with the following specifications. Okay, so again, noise factor are given as ratios. So kani, no, nice. Stage 1 to stage 1 to 3 power gain and the noise factor values. Okay, the question is calculate the power gain in decibels, noise figure in decibels, and the equivalent noise temperature. Okay, for the whole amplifier. Okay, so ubay-ubay, no? So before with that, okay, ato ning ato sa ning duhan dungagan o kanang slide kay wala ta wala ko wa ko'y space ani. Okay? So okay naman eh. So let's have an edit. Oh, editon sa dako. Kani it's just a box. Oh, ano lang siguro. So tasan. Okay? Kani ato lang ni i-delete. Oops, na-answer key circuit ano na mo. Okay? Oh. So, ang atong buhaton is the dungagan pa nato. Let's have here. And another one. Oh, tulo. Para sure. Okay? So, save lang nato. And this one. So, ang ipangayo is the power gain in dB, noise figure in dB, okay? And equivalent noise temperature for the whole amplifier, okay? So, first, no? So, since given naman na ang mga values, so atong buhaton is isa-isaw na to siya kuha. Solution. Okay? So, first, for power Pwede na to isulat ang given, sir. O, pwede. Ato siyang isulat. So the power gain of the first stage. Uy, slide ang P. So the power gain of the first stage is equals to 10. Oh, noise factor at the first stage is 2. Power gain at the second stage is 25. Sensya sa sinulatan. Okay? Usahay, di kailangan ko makontrol ang pen tablet. Ang pen drive sa pen tablet. Okay? So, F sub 2, that is 4. Power gain at the third stage, that is 30. Yeah, noise factor at the third stage, that is 5. So, para dili ta malibog, ato siyang i-sulat. So, first, the overall power gain or the total power gain in dB. Mana. Diba? So, at itong panon, pangitaon tong problem, noise figure in dB and equivalent noise temperature for the whole amplifier. So, paon po na to ang overall noise figure. That is unknown. And the equivalent noise temperature. Okay? That is unknown. So, i-check sana ko kung T sub EQ ba akong ginagamit. No? T sub E no? Okay. T sub EQ or T sub E, they are the same. Ako na lang i-note. Kaya sa ubang textbooks manggod sa communications, T sub E ang ilang ginagamit nga variable. Okay? So, anaw na lang ako. Okay. So, daan na taana ang given. Okay? So, first, for overall power gain. Okay? In decibel. So, the overall power gain is equals to, okay, total, 10 log, 10 log mana, that is 10 log of, power gain at the first stage, power gain at the second stage. Diba, pag, isulat sa nako, power gain at the third stage. Diba, kung mag-compute ka og power gain ani, in dB, diba, naka-plus man to. Sakto? So, pag naka-decibel, naka-plus. Unya, ka-unitless man. So, naka-times. Take note, tulo man ni ka-stage. So, the power gain, dali na ko isulat. Dali na lang. So, the overall power gain in unitless, that is the product between the power gain of the three amplifiers. Okay? Power times lang sila. So, this is in unitless. Okay? Pero ang ipangayo is naka-decibel. So, 10 log lang po nato siya. Okay? So, power gain overall in dB equal to 10 log. That is 10, 25. Sensya sa 25. And 30. So, overall power gain in dB, that will be equal to, so, switch ta for calculator. So, imong buhaton is 10 log, pinaka-shortcut 10 times 25 times 30. Okay? So, you have the value of 38.75061. Okay? So we have 38.75061 decibel. Always, no, do not forget the unit pag naka 10 log mo or naka 20 log, naka dB format. Always put decibel. Okay? Or else, so mali na siya, no, sa analysis ninyo. Okay? So the next step is the noise figure in dB. Okay. So the noise figure, we need to use Freeze formula. Okay. But before that, we need to get the overall noise factor. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. So let's continue. So sensya no. Nara ko i-check. Sige. Nara ko i-check nga gamit. Okay, motong na dugay. Okay, so for the overall noise figure, using Freeze formula. So the overall noise factor equal to, first stage is f sub 1, plus, labay na ta, f sub 2 na yun, minus 1 divided by the power gain of the first stage. Okay, plus f sub 3 minus 1 divided by a sub p1 and a sub p2. Okay, so ato ni siya i-substitute, no? Kay para makuha din nato ang noise figure. Okay? So we have here the values. So we have f sub t equal to, f sub 1 is 2 plus f sub 2 that is 4 minus 1 divided by 10 plus we have 5 minus 1 divided by, we have your 10 times 25. Okay. So we have noise factor equal to, gamit na taog calculator. Okay, substitute 2 plus, we have here 4 minus 1 divided by 10 plus, plus na po na nimo 5 minus 1 divided by, you have here 10 times 25. Okay, so get the value, that is 2.316. Mo na ganyan yung decimal. Okay, so 2.316. That is the noise factor. But we want the noise figure. Okay, so for the noise figure, okay, S na, noise figure. So noise figure total NFT equal to 10 log of F sub T. So you have 10 log of, we have 2.316. Ako na lang ni parenthesis. Okay? To make it sure nga mo niyahang grouping, no? I-grupo ra na ako na siya. So we have 10 and then log of 2.316. So equal, money equal to 3.647389. Okay. So you have 3.647, okay, 64739 unit decibel. Mo na ay muhang final answer sa noise figure. That's the overall noise figure. Okay? So, hindi na maigo. Hindi na maigo, sir. So, ang next step, sir, is ang equivalent noise temperature. Equivalent noise temperature ang kailangan. So, for equivalent noise temperature, so equivalent noise temperature is, we have T sub equivalent, okay, equal to the ambient temperature times the overall noise factor minus 1. O nya, wala man tayo T sub A. O wala temperature. O nga ambient. So always default nga assume is 290 Kelvin. Okay. So substitute T sub equivalent equal to, so the value of T sub A is 290. The value of F sub T, that is 2.316 minus 1. Okay. So equivalent temperature will be, that is 290 multiplied by 2.316 minus 1. So that is 381.64. Okay? 381.64 Kelvin. So this will be the value for the equivalent noise temperature. Oh, Kelvin lang. That will be enough. Okay? So try to answer this one, no, the solution. This is for the overall power gain. Oh, kani kay naka 10 log 10 o giritso na nako, pero ako siyang step by step dito sa pen tablet na itong gisulat. You can compare that one. Then freeze formula, kuha ng freeze formula before ang overall noise figure. And the equivalent noise temperature, wala gihatag ang ambient temperature, sir. Always set as 290 Kelvin. Okay? Kani, please practice, no? Practice problem. After this recorded video or at your convenient time, paki-practice to mga problems, okay? Para ma-anag. Then, napatay isa ka example. Abi na ko, isa ra akong gibuhat, no? Sa insya. So, in measurement of noise temperature, an avalanche diode source is used. The ENR being 14 decibel. The measured Y factor is 9 dB. Question: calculate the equivalent noise temperature of the amplifier under test. Wala kuan ni kanang kato ENR o katong Y factor, di ba? So solution. Murag check na to, no, basig di maigo ang slides. Okay? Ana, that will be enough. So save na to. Okay. So, switch to sa black. So, given. Always write the given para dili ma-ingat. Para sure gina, that is the safest one. So, ENR. So, ENR in decibel. That is 14 dB. Measured Y factor. Y factor is 9 dB. Sa to pa, ang Y factor naka-dB. That is 9 dB. Calculate the equivalent noise temperature of the amplifier under test. Okay. Equivalent temperature is unknown. Manay pangitaunon. Notice, dagan kanaray gihatag nga given niya, equivalent noise temperature dayon. So, it's best way nga ato silang isahon. First, we have here ENR. ENR, ENR in DB. So, naka-DB man na. So, unsa ang gamiton, sir? 10 log, 20 log. Sa comms, it's better to use 10 log. 10 log na, no? So, you have your 10 log of, you have your E and R. This will be your first working equation. Second, the y factor. Y factor in dB is just equal to the 10 log of y factor. This will be your second working equation. Once na mahuman ka ana, kwaon nimo ang you have here another formula that is ENR equal to, you have here hot temperature minus cold temperature divided by cold temperature. This will be your third working equation. And then, makuha ang equivalent noise temperature using the Y factor. So, you have equivalent noise temperature equal to, so you have here hot temperature minus Y factor times cold temperature. Okay. So, hot temperature divided by cold temperature. This will be your equation 4 o patka equation. Okay? So first step is convert the decibel, no, into a unitless format. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2. Oh. So first you have here the ENR in decibel equal to 10 log of ENR. Okay? So, in decibel format, that is 14 equal to 10 log of E and R. I-divide mo both sides by 10, you will have this expression, log of E and R equal to, that is 14 divided by 10, that is 1.4. And then, take the antilog. Oh, you have your 10, log of E and R. Sensya, dili kay wala na emphasize si 10. Okay, equal to, or you have your 10 raised to 1.4. Okay, so baba na siya. We have the ENR equal to, you have 10 raised to 1.4. So ENR equal to, so anti-log shift log, you have 1.4. Okay? That is 25.886. Okay. 25.11, sir. Oh. 25.11886. Oh, delete. No need to write decibel kay gi-antilag man nato. Okay? Then for the equation number 2, we have y factor in decibel equal to 10 log of y factor. So, you have your 9 equal to 10 log of y factor. And then, arrange lang ako. Log of y equal to 9 divided by 10. That is 0.09. If I'm not mistaken. Calculator dependent na kay ko, no? May ultimo lang 0.9. Di pa ka compute. So you have 0.9. Antilog, so 10 raised to log of y equal to 10 raised to 0.9. Okay? So ang buhaton is y equal to 10 raised to 0.9. Okay? So you will have the value of y of, okay, antilag lang yapon. You have your 0.9. The value will be, for the y factor is 7.94328. Okay. So 7.94328. Okay? Dili na Kelvin, but rather unitless na siya nga parameter. Okay? So nakuha na, no? Ay dili pa ang y na ang final answer. Atong pangitaon is ang y ay ang equivalent noise temperature. Okay? So that is not the final answer, but rather the equivalent noise temperature. Okay? So we have here dili pa makuha. Sorry. My mistake. Kay kwaon na to ang hot temperature kay di wala pa man tay anon nga value ay wala tay known value sa hot temperature. So we need to get that one. Okay. So we all know. Oh. So from equation 3, so E and R equal to hot temperature minus cold temperature divided by cold temperature. So you have here the equation. Hot temperature, wala may cold temperature, sir. So assume that is ambient temperature, that is 290 Kelvin. No need to put 290 because ma-cancel out nagyapon siya. So that is 290. Okay? Cross multiply. So atong buhaton is the value of ENR is asa to? 25. 25.11886. That would be equal to hot temperature minus 290 divided by 290. Okay? Cross multiply and add. So you have hot temperature equal to, that is 25.11886 times 290. Okay? That is for the hot temperature. And then, maplasan pag yun na siya o 290. Because of this one. Cross multiply diha. And then, transpose na siya dihe. So, from negative to positive. So, you have your hot temperature. Uy, lahi man akong bunot. So, hot temperature that is. So, calculator ta. Okay, 25.1188. Okay, mali that. 25.11886 multiply by 290. Okay, 290. Unya, plusan pag yun og 290. Okay, plusan pag yun na siya og 290. So you will have the value. Okay, so that is 7574.4694. Okay, so 7574. Okay, so ato lang i-check. 7574.4964. 4964 Kelvin. So this will be the hot temperature for this problem. Okay. So wala pa. Layo pa kay paunon pa nato. Tulo ka equation ang nilabay. Napatay ika-upat. Okay? So buta na po ka from equation 4. Okay? So formula. Sabi, unsa na to ang gigamit? Equation 4 na ta. Okay? So, equation 4. So, equivalent. Noise temperature equal to. So, hot temperature minus YT sub C divided by T sub C. T sub C ba? Or the cold temperature? Ano? This is Y. Okay? Y na siya. Pasensya. Mali na ako. So, we have Y minus 1. So, imo na lang i-substitute. Hot temperature, 7574.4964. So, 7574 point. You have here 4964. Okay. Minus the Y factor. So, Y factor is, darita to tanawon, that is 7.94328. Oh. So, ito, 7.94328. Okay. So, 7.94328. Oh, muna ay mohang Y factor. Cold. Unsa ang cold, sir? Ang cold na is kato cold temperature, syempre. Okay? Nanagya po yung standard si Alexa na. Okay, I will give you the insight. This is ang ipamultiply aning sa cold, that is 290. Okay? Divided by 290 minus 1. So, equivalent temperature is, okay? Ay, sorry. Nalingat ko. That's not the 290. Okay? Y man na diha. Y minus 1. So, that is 7.94328. Okay? So, that will be the setup. Oh, atong i-solve. So, 7574.4964 minus, we have here 7.94328. Okay, that will be the value. And then, multiply yan og 290. Uman, imo na siyang i-subtract sa Y factor. Okay. So, you have 7.94328 minus 1. Okay, this will be the temperature. 759.14340. Okay. So, you have 759 point. Oh, 0.14340. Okay. So, you have 14340. That is decibel. So, final answer. Final answer. Okay. So, done na ang temperature sa ENR, no? So, check na ako sa notes. So, approximately 760 Kelvin. Anong dB lagi ni? That's not the decibel. Sorry. I would like to correct that one. So, delete decibel. O, nakatugon siguro ko mo lang. Decibel ako ang ibutang. Okay? So, money, solution. And, hot temperature. Always, pag walay gihatag nga cold temperature, no? Or hot temperature, ang ambient, no? Ang ambient temp is always sa cold temperature na. Okay? So, almost 760. Okay. Then practice problem for this type of kaninga topic. Try na lang, no? Then we have the temperature of the antenna system. Okay. This is the for the formula. Okay, antenna temperature equals to 290 multiplied by L minus 1 plus sky temperature divided by L. So T sub antenna, that is effective noise temperature on antenna. And the feed line. The L is the loss in the feed line. Kung naka-decibel, o yan tilag. And then the sky, T sky, that is the effective sky temperature. Okay? Another. Pause that for a moment. Okay? So this is the nadugay og pause. So the noise temperature of the antenna system, this will be the formula, and also the variables, no, the antenna temperature, effective noise, the loss of the feed line, that is the transmission line itself, that is in a unitless. Pag naka dB, i-antilag, and T sub sky, that is the effective sky temperature. So to appreciate this example, the problem, let's have the example problem also. Okay. Naday, isa pa. Take note, if you want the overall system, the system temperature, so just add the temperature, equivalent noise temperature sa receiver o sa antenna na noise temperature. Okay, so let's have the example problem. Think, wala, kulang po ni siya. Pasahon sa nako. An Earth station used for the geostationary satellite. Okay. Has a dish antenna which sees the sky temperature of 25 Kelvin. It is connected to the receiver with a feed line having a 1 dB loss. The receiver has an equivalent noise temperature of 15 Kelvin. Okay, 15 Kelvin. Question, calculate the noise temperature for the system. Diyan ang gikuha. So, atong siyang i-duplicate. Duplicate sa ko kay murag makulangan na. Okay? So, sige. Let's have a solution for this example problem. Okay? Walang ning i-block. So, we have solution. So, first, write the given. The sky temperature, that is 25 Kelvin. Okay. Next, ang feed line nimo, is naka dB. So L in dB format, that is 1 dB. Sunod, receiver equivalent noise temperature. This will be the equivalent temperature of the receiver. That is 15 Kelvin. Next, atong kwaon ang total equivalent temperature of the system. Okay? So, first and foremost, we all know the temperature of the system, the whole itself, that is the equivalent noise temperature of the receiver plus the temperature of the antenna. That is the first working equation. And we all know that the antenna equivalent temperature, noise itself, that is equals to, that is 290 times L, okay? That is L minus 1, okay? Plus the temperature of the sky divided by L. Okay? This will be your second working equation. Okay? So, now, Ang first step is tawag ni for the value, ani na lang. Okay? For the value of L in unitless format. Okay, unitless format. Ako na lang ning kuanon be. Ako na lang ning i-plus star unitless format. Okay? So, first, convert na to ang L, no, ang loss in unitless format. We have here the L in decibel. Oh, that is 10 log ra gyud na siya. Oh, maski pag dili ihata. Oh, 10 log gyud na siya. Okay? So, convert. So, you have 1 equal to 10 log of L. Kung i-arrange, log of L equals to 1 divided by 10. Diba? Log of L, that is, so atong i-divide, I think that is 0.10. Sure lang ta. Oh, grabe na kita calculator dependent. So that is 0.1. Okay? 0.1, take the antilog. So 10 raised to log of L equal to 10 raised to 0.1. Or the L, that is 10 raised to 0.1. So you have the value. Okay? So antilog, that is 0.1. Oh, maniyahang value. No? So 1.25893. Okay. So you have 1.25893. That will be the value of L. Okay? So ato siyang ang next nimo is for the antenna. So from antenna temperature, so from equation 2, so you have here antenna temperature is equals to 290 times L minus 1 plus sky temperature divided by L. Okay? So, ato na lang i-substitute dari. So, you have 290 times, you have here 1.25893. Sky temperature is 25 Kelvin. I-divide pag yun siya sa L, which is 1.25893. Okay? So, you have here the antenna temperature. So, pen. So, you have here the antenna temperature that is equal to. So, reset. We have 290 multiply 1.25893. Okay? I forgot. That is minus 1. Nakalimot. So, isingit na lang na to. Atong pagamyon ng digit. Okay, 93 minus 1. Okay. Singit na. And then, plus 25. Divided by 1.25893. You will have the answer 79.50379. Okay? 79. Okay, we will write 79.50379 Kelvin. That is the antenna temperature. Okay, so ubay-ubay. Karon, makuha na nato ang temperature sa system. Okay, so uh, from equation 1, from equation 1, we have here T equals to T sub equivalent noise temperature of the receiver plus the antenna noise temperature. Okay, balik ta sa value. So, we have here T equals to 15 Kelvin plus, that is 79.50379. Okay, 79.50379. Okay, so that is the 5 na siya. So, i-add lang nimo. So 15 plus 79.50379. So you have 94, okay, 0.50379. Okay, so 94. So you have 94.50379 Kelvin. Okay, so that is the final answer for the temperature of the system. Okay, so let's check. Oh, moniyahang solution. O, gi-antilag yun niya ang L. Okay. Basta decibel, no? Antilag. 10 lag ramang yapon na, no? Antilag lang siya. Then, that's one. Okay, so that's the answer. So, practice problem. Take this one. So, try na lang yung practice, no? At your convenient time or when you're listening to this video. Then, napa. Bayubay. Dagan na sir, oy. Actually, dagan yun pag noise analysis. So, we have here the Freeze formula for equivalent noise temperature. Okay. That's one. This is the whole, no? This is similar to a Freeze formula nga katong noise factor, pero ang nakalahi lang kay walay minus 1. Dari sa imuhang second term up to nth term. Walay minus 1. Mura na nakalahi. Okay? So, the T sub En and A sub Pn are the noise temperature and power gain, respectively, of the nth stage. So, kung pila kabuk stage na siya. Okay? So, para ma-apply na, let's have an example problem. Okay? So, we have here a TVRO parabolic dish reflector mixer stage as a noise figure of 20 decibel and is preceded by an LNB with a power gain of 10 dB and an effective noise temperature of 60 Kelvin. Question: what is the effective noise temperature at the input of LNB? Okay? So, wait lang. I will check first kung okay pa ba akong kan? Okay pa din ako ang wireless, no? Nga headphone. Actually, napalit kong headphone. Okay? So, para makuha na itong equivalent noise temperature, let's have here the list of the, what we call it, the list of the given values. Okay? Okay, so I think one slide na siya for kanang magsulat ko sa analysis. Okay? Para natay reference dyan. Sige. Let's have here the example, this example problem. So, solution. Solution. Ang sa una sa TVRO mixer stage kaya naa siya 20 dB. Okay. Yan ay LMB with a power gain of 10 dB. Okay? So, in this system, this is a tawag ni, this is a system man ni siya. So, mauna ang LNB before the mixer. Ano na siya? Okay? So, ang LNB, I forgot the meaning. Ako ning iguan, pati ang TBRO. Okay? So, nani siya meaning actually. So, inani yahang setup. So, naa kay LNB. So, this is the LNB. So, naka-input ana. Then, followed by a mixer. Mixer man ka, ana. Then, i-connect na siya sa other nga system. Okay? Of course, na siya local oscillator kay man na may dili kuan ni siya. Lahi na siya nga mixer nga system. Okay? So, inani yahang mixer, no? Nga setup. Okay? Ako na lang ning i-klaro. So, connected na siya by the antenna itself. Okay? Wala yahang system. So, sa LNB, mauna ang LNB. Okay? So, for the LNB, so first, the power gain in dB. Naka-dB pag yun. That is 20 decibel. Nya, 10 di sorry. I forgot. Nalingat ko sa statement sa problem. So, that is 10 dB. Unya, naka-equivalent noise temperature of 60 Kelvin. Okay, so you have here the equivalent noise temperature at 60 Kelvin. Okay. And then, for the mixer, mixer na po ka. Mixer, you will have nasa mixer, unsa maning kwan? Power gain, noise figure, sorry. Noise figure at the mixer, we'll let this one as NF2. Okay, sir, naka-decibel. Label lang na to as dB. Okay, that is 20 decibel. The question is the effective noise temperature input okay, of the LNB. Klaro man, kay input man di ay. Una-una, gyud si LNB, no? So, equivalent noise temperature of the whole system, no? So, ang buhato na to is, i-write na to ang ilang mga formulas. Okay. So, convert sa nato ang kaning for each of the system. Okay. For LNB, N na ha. LNB, the power gain. Power gain at the power gain in decibel format. Okay. So that is equals to 10 log of the power gain at the first stage. Okay. So we have 10 dB equal to 10 log of power gain at the per for the LNB. So, kung divide mo, you have your log of power gain of the LNB, that is 1. Okay? So, i-antilog na mo na, that is 10 raised to 1. So, you have your power gain in unitless format, that is 10. Okay? 10 na siya. Okay? And then, wala na mahihilaptan sa LNB. Okay? Wala na mahihilaptan na as is na po ni. So, mixer na po ka. 4. Mixer stage. So, first, i-antilag na to ang noise figure. So, noise figure at the mixer equals to. So, 10 log of the noise factor of the mixer. So, nakakay 20 equal to 10 log of noise factor of the mixer. F sub, sorry, it's not F sub 2. So, step by step pa. So, log of F sub 2 equals to 20 divided by 10, that is 2. Okay? And then, antilog, 10 log of F of 2 equal to 10 squared. So, your noise factor of the mixer, that is 100. 100. And then, kwao na to ang equivalent noise temperature sa mixer. So, you will have T sub EQ 2 kay second stage man ni si mixer. That is equals to ambient temperature times noise factor at the mixer minus 1. Diba? Katulad yapon na siya nga principle nga ning kurog ang ako ang pen tablet. Okay. Same na nga principle nga T sub EQ equal to T sub A times noise factor minus 1. Di gyapon nga concept. And then substitute T sub EQ 2 kay sa mixer second stage siya. That is wala may ambient. Wala ambient. So that is 290 day na default times 100 minus 1. So you have your equivalent temperature for the mixer, that is okay. That is you have 290 multiply by 100 minus 1. Okay? You have 28,710. Okay? So you have 28,710 Kelvin. Okay. So, nakuha na. So, unsa may next step ani sir? Next dito ta sa next line. Okay. So, using Freeze formula for equivalent A na siya. Equivalent noise temperature. Okay? So, check nimo. Naakay power gain. Yes, naakay. Equivalent noise temperature. Yes. Napo ka equivalent noise temperature. Okay. So, the formula would be equivalent noise temperature equals 2. So, equivalent noise temperature at the first stage. Okay? Mo man ni? Yes. Plus, T sub EQ 2, walay minus 1. Kaya pag minus 1, noise factor man to sa freeze. So, divided by power gain at the first stage. So, mo ni ang formula. Okay? So, ato lang siyang i-substitute. So, T sub EQ1, that is 60 Kelvin. Plus, the T sub EQ2, that is 28,710. Okay? So 28,710 divided by the power gain, that is 10. Oh. So take the overall equivalent noise temperature. Oh, calculate. So you have 60 plus you have 28,710 divided by 10. Okay? So you have 2931 Kelvin. Oh, na value. So 2,931 Kelvin. Sir, kanang mga equivalent noise temperature, sir ba? I-convert pa ba na siya Celsius? No need. No need to convert Celsius, no? Basta noise analysis sa temperature. Okay? So, one lang. As is na siya, as Kelvin. Okay, so that is the final answer. Okay, so let's proceed to the solution. Oh, manihang solution actually. So step by step. And then, gikuha niya ang noise factor and ang equivalent noise temperature sa mixer. And then, yang giantilag ang power gate sa LNB. Oh. And then, paano yun? Overall, equivalent noise temperature. Okay? So, try to practice this one, no? At your convenient time. Practice, no? Practice, practice, practice. Mo nang naghatag yung ko o practice problem para uh, naamoy kumbaga, naamoy ma-solve ba. Okay? Okay. I think freeze for equivalent noise temperature is done. Last na gyud. Equivalent noise resistance. Ako na lang ning isagad kay total last portion naman ni siya. Time check daw be atong i-time check 3:46 tan-awa na to ang time interval sa recorded video. We have 1 hour and 22 minutes. Okay. Ato na ning umanon. Okay, equivalent noise resistance. So this will be the equivalent noise resistance. Kung na kay amplifier. So mo yung equivalent noise resistance. So na kay amplifier cascaded together with this resistance. Noise resistance at the first stage, no? That is at the input side, no? And you have the noise resistance at between the two amplifiers and the noise resistance at the third stage. So pwede na siya cascaded nga system. Okay? Namang gyapon na noise voltage, no? Di gyapon siya mawala. Okay? Okay, we're talking about noise, the noise analysis. Okay? So inani ang iyahang formula. Okay. Mora lang gyapon to freeze formula sa equivalent noise temperature. Okay? Nalay restriction. Nalay siya apan. Okay? Nalay apan. Kung these are the variables. So R1 up to R sub n are the resistances. A sub 1 up to A sub n minus 1 those are voltage gains. A sub P1 up to A sub P times n minus 1, these are the power gains. And n is the number of stages. Now, note, if the gains are not stated, either voltage or power gain, that is A sub P times n minus 1, that will be approximately equal to A sub n minus 1 squared. Kung wala naka-state kung voltage siya or power gain. So, squared ni mo yahang gain. Mora na yung meaning niya. Okay? And, naputay another formula for the equivalent noise resistance. Kani, this is for the amplifier na case. Kani is referring ta sa impedance, no? So, impedance and the load itself. So, you have R sub EQ prime equal to R sub A times F minus 1. Or, take note, R sub EQ prime equals to R sub EQ minus R sub T. Ano siya yung mga definition? The R sub EQ prime, that is the noise resistance, does not incorporate the input impedance. The second is the R sub T, that is the input impedance. The R sub A is the source or the antenna resistance. The R sub EQ, that is equivalent noise resistance of the amplifier or receiver. And the F is the noise factor. I think na ako'y note ani, no? So, for the relationship between the equivalent noise temperature and the noise resistance, so this will be the equation. Take note, ang kaning formula, gikan na siya dare. Take note, naa na siya, di ba? That's the 2. Okay? Take lang. Okay? Gikan na siya katong equivalent noise temperature equals to TA times F minus 1. And then katong ganina, so R sub EQ prime equal to R sub A times F minus 1. Gi-equate na ng F minus 1. Munang naka-ratio siya. Okay? And then, kung walay input impedance na given, okay, one man ni, R sub EQ prime man ni, does not incorporate the input impedance. So, kung wala, ang metabo is ang R sub EQ prime that will be equal to the R sub EQ. Okay? Mora na meaning ana niya. So, duha ka equivalent noise resistance. So, sa amplifier o sa katong impedance itself. Okay? O, sige, let's start. So, the first stage of the two-stage amplifier has a voltage gain of 10, a 600 ohm input resistor, okay, a 1,600 equivalent noise resistance, okay, a 27 kilo ohm output resistor. Okay, for the second stage, the values are, money, 25, 81 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, and 1 mega ohm. Okay? Calculate the equivalent noise resistance. Okay? So, manay question, no? Regarding ana. Sige. Medyo ubay-ubay, no? Ubay-ubay kayong values. So, the first step na imong buhaton is subayon na nimo ng statement na ayaw na i-alter ang value sa imong 600 mga resistances o gains. As is na siya. Okay? Okay, so let's have the circuitry. Dapat circuit, no? I-circuit na to siya. Dabi, naba ko'y spacing. Murag wala ko'y spacing, ha? Okay? Akong ikuan. Dabi, check. Okay pa man akong audio. Sige. So, ang imong unang buhaton kay mag-drawing ka ani. Drawingan gani mo na siya. Okay? So, solution. Drawing ka og two-stage amplifier. Drawing lang. Okay? And then, ayaw sa i-connect. Okay, anak. So, first stage ka. Okay? So, first stage ka. Voltage gain of 10. No? So, you have here the voltage gain of the first stage. That is 10. Okay. Now, daw ka input nga 600 ohm. Naka input nga 600 ohm. Okay? Yan na kay 1,600 nga noise resistance. Sa input lagi po na. Okay? Ground. Okay? 1,600 ohm. Unya, nga naa kay 27 kilo ohm nga output resistor. Okay? So, 27 kilo ohm. Okay. Sa second stage, the same gapon, voltage gain is 25. So same ra siya nga flowing statement sa first, no? So voltage gain at the second is 25. Unya naa kay input nga ano, ng kaning 81 kilo ohm. Dari medyo figure nga part. Kaning 81 kilo ohm, this will be the noise resistance. Okay. Okay, 81 kilo ohm. Then followed by 10 kilo ohm. Okay. So, ang 10 kilo ohm nimo, input na siya diha. Okay? O-connect. Onya, 1 mega ohm nga output sa diri nga system. Okay, so you have 1 mega ohm. Okay. So, means that will be the ground. So, respectively. Okay. So, labi. Okay? So, next nimo is i-connect nimo ning duha. Okay? Connect. So, kwao na nimo ang equivalent noise resistance. Okay? So, mo ni iyahang circuitry. So, basic kani ang maka-confuse sa imuha. Kaning dari pag-abot sa second stage, ang kaning 10K ang nahimong input o kaning 81 ang nahimong noise resistance. Okay? Okay? So, ato siyang i-solve. So, first, kwaon na to ang ilahang mga equivalent resistances. Okay? So, take note the voltage gain man nino. To. This one. Voltage gain maning dari nga portion. Okay. Sa to pa, we let this A sub V1 as your A1 and your A sub V2 that is A sub 2. Okay. So, solve. So, first, the formula, okay, the formula would be R sub EQ, equivalent resistance, that is equals to, we have R sub 1, okay, plus you have your R sub 2 divided by A sub 1 squared. And you have your R sub 3 divided by A sub 1 squared times A sub 2 squared. Okay, since na-determine na po niya nga voltage gain na siya, so ang power gain nimo ana would be approximate lang yapon siya sa squared. No, i-squared nimo ang voltage gain. That is another rule. Okay? Katong gingon ako nga kung dili ihatag kung voltage ba siya or current gain, dili estimate, dili niya i-indicate, so i-squared nimo ang gain. Pero pag naka-indicate na siya, this one, squared lang nimo siya. Pero pag power gain, so no need to squared. Okay? So this will be your first working equation. Karon, kinsa ang R sub 1 na sir? Okay. Ang R sub 1 nimo, ang R sub 1 nimo is kani. This is at the first stage nga side. Okay? So, this will be your R sub 1. Okay? Ang R sub 2 nimo is kani, nakatap. Okay? Sensya lang kung ma-overlap. Okay? So, this will be your R sub 2. Of course, the R sub 3 is kani. Oh. Wa na ilain, solo kay si 1 mega ohm. So, you have your R sub 3. So, kung sa R sub 1 sa ta, okay. So, 4, R sub 1, R sub 2, and R sub 3. Sabi, kay murag mao tangagi. R sub 1, R sub 2, and R sub 3. Okay. So, ay mong buhaton sa R sub 1 since they are common naman these are connected in series. R sub 1 equal to 1,600 plus you have 600. So, you have here nga 2,200 ohms or make it notation as 2.2 kilo ohm. Okay. Next, dari sa R sub 2 medyo tricky. Okay. Kanang dari, kaning noise resistance nga 81 og ang 27 kilo ohm nimo parallel na siya. Oh, ipaparallel na nimo pagkauman whatever the parallel result, i-series nimo sa 10 kilo ohms. That is the connection between this circuit. Okay. So, your R sub 2 would be ano ini? So, since nakakilo man no need to put times 10 to the 3. That's the shortest one. So, ano ni mo? 27 parallel to 81 plus 10. Okay? So, this will be turn to, atong i-bracket. So, you have 27 raised to negative 1 plus, you have here 81 raised to negative 1, then raised to negative 1 plus 10. Okay? Mura mag number ang kwan. Wait lang. Kani murag number siya tanawon. So, make it cleared lang siya. So, okay. Parallel na siya. So, your R sub 2 will be calculator. So, ani ra nimong buhaton. So, first, kana. So, 27 inverse plus 81 inverse. So, we have inverse. Yeah, plusan dahil nimo og 10. Okay, you have 30.25. Okay, o 30.25 na lang ka. 30.25 kilo ohm. Okay, then for the R sub 3, that is 1 mega ohm. Ana. So, dito na ta mag-solve. So, for the final solution for this equivalent resistance. Okay. Dahil ka from equation 1. So, R sub EQ equal to R sub 1 plus R sub 2 A sub 1 squared plus R sub 3, you have A sub 1 squared, A sub 2 squared. Okay? So, substitute. So, first, R sub 1 is 2.2. Dari na ka mag-notate 2.2 times 10 to the 3. Plus, R sub 2, you have 30.25. Okay? So, you have 30.25 times 10 to the 3. Divided by, gain. So, 10. That is 10 squared na siya. Plus, the third, that is 1 mega ohm. You have, 1 mega ohm ba? Yes, 1 times 10 to the 6 divided by 10 squared multiply. The second, that is 25. 25 squared. So, the equivalent resistance will be, hmm, okay, so equivalent resistance, we have 2.2 kilo ohm plus 2.2 times 10 to the 3 ohms. Okay. Next, 30.25 times 10 to the 3. Divide 10 squared. Okay. Plus, we have here 1 times 10 to the 6 divided by 10 squared multiply by 25 squared. Okay. The value will be 2 point, 2518.5. Okay. So 2518.5 ohms, or that is ato lang ning i-convert to notation. So 2.5185 times 10 to the 3 ohms, or in engineering notation, that is 2.5185 kilo ohms. So that is the final answer for the equivalent noise resistance. Mana yung answer? Okay? So, try na to. Okay, these are the given. So, for the circuit, this one. That is the setup. Okay? And these are the values and the solution. Okay? Pumana. Pumana ta sa first nga example. Okay? So, practice problem. Kani. Kamo, practice jud mo ani no? Para maanad, no? Para maanad. So, practice ani. May nang tagaan po tamo o kanang challenge nga problem. Okay? Para maanad-anad mo ba? Okay? This one. Okay? Calculate the noise factor of the amplifier whose equivalent noise resistance is 2518. Okay. With an input impedance of 600 ohms. Okay. If it is driven by a generator whose output impedance is 50 ohms. Okay. So, ato na siyang isulat niyang given. Okay, solution. So, this is the equivalent noise resistance sa katong na high impedance, no? So, kanang 2518, okay, that is the equivalent noise resistance, 2518 ohms. Okay. Next, input impedance, that is the R sub T, that is 600 ohms. Okay. Yeah, driven by a generator, with the output impedance of 50 ohms. So, R sub A, that is 50 ohms. Okay? So, ang pangitao na to is ang noise factor. Okay. Noise factor. Karon kay naman tay formula, di ba? No. Natay formula, ang ito, R sub EQ, EQ prime equal to R sub A, di ba? Times F minus 1. Okay? Unya, naman tay another equation, ana. Take note that the equation will be, so ito, this will be R sub EQ prime equal to, that is R sub EQ minus R sub t. Ato na siyang i-substitute, no? Okay? So we have, so R sub EQ minus R sub t equal to R sub A multiplied by F minus 1. Substitute, we have 2518 minus R sub t is 600 equal to 50 multiplied by F minus 1. So it's a itsura, F minus 1 equal to, that is 2518 minus 600 i-divide og 50. So F sub F equals to, transpose na lang po nating pika. So you have mo positive ang 1 plus pilay value ana, no? Ato na lang isulat 2518 minus 600 divided by 50. Okay? So noise factor will be, okay, so that is 1 plus 2518 minus 600 divided by 50. Okay? The value that is 39.36. Nanay disable, sir? Wala. Kay noise factor man. O, pag i-dB nimo na, o, itenlag, noise figure ang imong ipasabot ana. Okay? O, noise factor man ta. Okay? So, laser pointer. So, that is the final answer for the example problem number 2. Okay. Check na to. Wait. Sakto. 39.36. Okay? Practice problem. Palihog ko o solve ani, no? At your convenient time. Okay? Okay, that ends the noise analysis. Umana ang noise analysis. Okay, keep na ko ink annotations. Okay, so it's 4:11. Paluyan, nahuman man pud ta. Okay, sige. So ako na lang ning kaning mga notes dere, mga sinulatan, ako na lang ning i-upload, i-convert lang na ako siya into PDF, no? Para naamoy basis. Okay? Sige, so much with that. So ako na i-save. So time check, it's 4:12. Oy, medyo ubay-ubay. 1 hour and 47 minutes, almost 2 hours ta. Okay? I think that would be all na, no? Kaya medyo mataas ang time interval ani. So, please access this recorded video. Okay? Have a good day sa inyo din. Mayong hapon.